everyone, it's Allie. Welcome back to Colors of Hope Crafts ASMR. I have a bag, and of course that can only mean one thing. We're doing an unboxing. My Paradise Fibers subscription came in the mail yesterday, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you. I also want to give you a little teaser for my Valentine's Day episode, which will be coming up. And I suppose not too long from now. You may remember we've been making these roll eggs. The roll eggs so I made several more, and I also made a couple of bats. So I will be spinning the Rolex, and I'll also be spinning the bats, we'll hopefully have some fun together. So stay tuned for that. Now on to the content. I don't know what it's in here. I kind of have an idea. But yeah, let's just open this together and see what's inside. You may remember Paradise Fiber. The Paradise Fiber subscription always includes roughly 5 to 8 ounces of fiber and a stitch marker and some tea, and some ideas for how to use the fiber. So yeah, this interesting. Looks a little bit like Shetland. Oh, so this is, the theme is duality. And the theme is black and white. So, peace and war, love and hate, up and down, black and white. These famous duplixities teach us that every aspect of life is created from a harmonious interaction of opposing and competing forces that balance each other like a well-plied, hand-spun yarn. Explore this concept while crafting this month with contrasting shades, textures, and fiber contents all in one unique fiber blend. We call these blends Gotland Tweed, and we hope creating with them brings more balance and serenity to your life. So, this has approximately 4 ounces of yin, which is the black, and yang, which is the white, in opposite colored organza bags. These durable blends consist of 50% natural Gotland wool top, 25% merino wool top, 20% Tussa silk top, and 5% viscous tweed. And then there's a notions bag. Create a space of calm while crafting with your with your 2 milliliter dropper of organic Bulgarian lavender essential oils. And a spiral stitch marker with 2 contrasting lava beads entrapped inside. Use your dropper to place a single drop of oil on the beads and enjoy a pleasant scent while you knit and crochet. Enjoy a soothing cup of tea that blends the leaves from the tulsi plant with calming lavender. Tulsi has been revered in India for more than 5,000 years, and according to folklore, is a healing balm for the body, mind, and spirit. This dental blend is a tea that fosters a sense of serenity, and then they also have a sticker in there as well. And then they have a suggestion for how to knit with the black and the white. So, there's the sticker. There's the lavender tea. And this presumably is the stitch marker. Yes it is. That would actually be good for a little necklace or something. It smells nice. And now on to the content. The additional content. Nice. Normally black isn't really my color, but the nice thing about Paradise Fibers boxes is that I sometimes, or actually often, get a chance to use fiber that I haven't necessarily tried before. So, and this should be an interesting opportunity because like I said, even though black and gray aren't really my colors, this actually looks pretty cool, and it's got some nice variation to the colors. It's not all black or gray. Well, I mean, it is all black and gray, but there's some variation to the colors. And in there, and then we have the white. Ooh, that's pretty. It's so soft. So soft. So soft. So soft. So, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you would like your own Paradise Fibers subscription packs or any fiber tools from them, I will leave my affiliate link in the description below, and that is one way that you can continue to help this channel. You can also help by leaving a comment below, so I know what it is as you're wanting to see more of. But it also helps the YouTube algorithm say and know that there are people watching who like it, so that's a pretty easy way to help us out this channel. It's just to say, hey YouTube, I like this video. Okay. Well, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'm excited to show you the yarn that we're going to spin with those Rolex and the art bat for Valentine's Day. So take care.